Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Errors and Actions. In this video we will learn how to reset our search bar if it is not working in Windows 10. Search bar is not working in Windows 10. If you want to search anything with your computer or laptop using search bar, but search bar is not working or not searching properly, means something problem with your search bar. For the solution of the search bar setting, again please follow the video stepwise completely and solve it easily. Guys, if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel Computer Errors and Actions, please subscribe it, like it, share it and press the bell icon for the further videos and notifications. Please watch my video. This is my search bar. Just I am type something to search, but it is not working. Then we have to go to this PC in Windows 10 and C drive where your Windows is loaded and Windows folder. Then go to the system 32 folder and here you have to search the ctfmon file which active our search bar. Just searching, and this is my ctfmon.exe file. Just right click and I want to copy and go to the run command by pressing Windows plus R, and here you have to write cell column common startup, because we will put that copied file to our startup folder, and press OK. Here this is my startup folder, start menu and startup folder. Here I paste the copied file ctfmon.exe file, then close it. Then you go to restart your computer. After restart you watch, it will be work fine. Friends, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and see the useful videos. Just you see, this is working well. Okay, thanks.